Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we unboxing one kit from MG Grade. It's a expansion part for Gundam BARBATOS LUPUS. So the box arts, and this is the part we get, the big sword, the effect parts here for the eye, and I think for the within, and got the effect part for the shoulder, the action base, then got a damage within, and a couple hand, and the gun here. So let's see what I have inside. First pack, got an action base. This action figure action base. This is I think for the sword, to hold the sword. And this O1, I think this one for the sword. Next pack, the Vifin P1, the damage one here. Got two runner for N, with the gun. Next, we got a water slide decal. This one for the sword. Water slide decal, small. Got effect part, clear effect part for the within, I think for the eyes, and one eye part, clear part, right. Next, so on the L, the finger option. This I think for the sword or the gun. Not sure. This one effect part for the head, I think. This one. So next, effect last. Effect clear effect part for the shoulder. Sticker for the eyes, and runner M, two runner M for the sword. Okay, so here the one manual. I transfer first. If you buy direct from Shopee, Bandai Shopee, then probably get cheaper price. So this is a manual. The runner here, all parts we use. Then this pre-ride distraction state, and another one is post-ride distraction state. So first one is the hand is remove one hand, stick and rocket launcher, head part, chest. I think the yellow one, the white one is for the chest part. So remove this part to attach the like a damage for the arms. So okay, so this heads need to remove to use the red color one. Okay, yeah, how to attach the shoulder parts here. Effect shoulder part. This arm rocket launcher. Simple, just about 4 step. And lastly, the Valkyria while Kerja Buster Sword. The big sword here. Continue here, and got a normal stick, long, and got one is a shorter stick, and the support stand for the sword. And can remove, got become two separate parts, one is sword, another one is like a mace. Okay, lastly here the guide for sticker to start the car. Okay, I think that's all for unboxing expansion part set for Gundam Barbatos Lupus. Okay, thank you all. Bye.